My dear students, I welcome you to today's lesson and I hope that you are all well. We are doing Mathematics FSC Part 1, Inter Part 1, and we are doing chapter number 9, Fundamentals of Trigonometry. And we are doing exercise 9.4. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button as well, so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos. Right, so we are doing exercise 9.4. So today's first question is, prove that secant theta, cosecant theta, sin theta, cosine theta equals to 1. Right, we'll just take the right hand side and we know that, okay, I will write it again once more. Secant theta, cosecant theta, sin theta and cosine theta. So secant theta is 1 over cosine theta. Cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta. We know it all. Sine theta as it is. And cosine theta as it is. Right? Cosine theta got cancelled. Sine theta got cancelled, which is equals to 1. So 1 equals to 1. Hence proved. Right. Now, question number 2. Prove that secant square theta equals to secant square theta minus cosecant square theta equals to tangent square theta minus cotangent square theta. Right. So taking left hand side again. So left hand side is secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. We know that secant theta equals to 1 plus tangent square theta minus cosecant square theta is 1 plus cotangent square theta. Which is equals to 1 plus tangent square theta and multiplying with minus sign. So minus 1 minus plus gets minus cotangent square theta. And you know that this one got cancelled. We left with tangent square theta minus cotangent square theta, which is equals to right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Side, so it is verified or it is proved. Proved. Okay, come to the next question. Cotangent square theta minus cosine square theta equals to cotangent square theta minus cosine square theta equals to cotangent square theta times cosine square theta. Take left hand side first. So left hand side is cotangent square theta minus cosine square theta. We know that cotangent theta is cosine over sine theta. Minus cosine square theta. Okay, taking cosine square theta common. 1 over sine square theta minus 1. Right, so which is equals to, we are working with the left hand side. Cosine square theta, this is sine square theta, and this is 1 minus sine square theta. And we know that 1 minus sine square theta is cosine square theta. Okay, so it is cosine square theta into cosine square theta over sine square theta. Right, so this cosine theta over sine theta is cotangent square theta. So we write it cotangent square theta and cosine square theta, which is equals to the right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. And side hence proved. Right, I hope you understand it well. And if you have any doubts, so you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnails of every video. Okay, the question number 4 is, so prove that cotangent square theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus cotangent square theta equals to 2 cosine square theta minus 1. Right, again, we'll take left hand side first. Which is equals to cotangent square theta minus 1 over 1 plus cotangent square theta. Right, so we know that cotangent theta is cosine over sine theta. Minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosine square theta sine square theta. So now the numerator will be cosine square theta minus sine square theta divided by sine square theta, and the numerator will be sine square theta plus cosine square theta divided by sine square theta. And this sine square theta cancel with this, and we left with on the numerator cosine square theta minus sine square theta divided by sine square theta plus cosine square theta, which is equals to 1. And we left with cosine square theta minus sine square theta. We look the answer is in cosine theta only. So we'll replace the value of sine square theta, which is equals to cosine square theta minus 1 minus cosine square theta. we just replace the value of sine square theta, which is 1 minus cosine square theta. So we have cosine square theta as it is, minus 1, this minus and this minus will be plus cosine square theta. So now cosine square theta plus cosine square theta is 2 times cosine square theta and minus 1, which is equals to left hand side, sorry, right hand side. So now left hand side equals to right hand side. So it is proved. Right, so this is all about the question number 4. And I hope that you understand it well. Now comes to question number 5. Today's question number 5. So prove that 1 plus cosine theta over 1 minus cosine theta equals to cosecant theta plus cotangent theta the whole square. Right, we'll take left hand side. So left hand side is 1 plus cosine theta divided by 1 minus cosine theta. Rationalizing it. Rationalizing. Rationalizing mean rationalizing the denominator, right? So 1 minus cosine theta, 1 plus cosine theta divided by 1 minus cosine theta. So multiply by 1 plus cosine theta divided by 1 plus cosine theta. Right. So equals to on the numerator 1 plus cosine theta the square divided by 1 minus cosine square theta. This is square. Okay. Right. So which is equals to 1 plus cosine theta square divided by sine theta square or sine square theta. So we'll keep it in one bracket, 1 plus cosine theta divided by sine theta the whole square. Right? So it will be 1 over sine theta plus cosine theta over sine theta. The whole square, okay? So it will be 1 over sine theta is cosecant theta and cosine theta over sine theta is cotangent theta, the whole square, which is our right hand side. So therefore, hence proved. Okay, now the question number 6. Maybe the last question of today. Okay. Question is 1 over 1 plus sine theta plus 1 over 1 minus sine theta equals to 2 times secant square theta. Like this, okay? So just taking the left hand side first. 1 plus sine theta plus 1 over 1 minus sine theta. So cross multiplying it. So on the denominator, it is 1 plus sine theta times 1 minus sine theta. It will be 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta. This sine theta got cancelled with this. This 1 plus 1 is 2. 2. 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is 1 minus sine theta square, which is equals to cosine square theta. And we know that the reciprocal of cosine square theta is secant square theta. It's 2 times. This is secant square theta, which is equals to right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So it is proved. I hope that you understand it well. If not, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. So thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for watching my videos. And if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button as well. And share my videos on your WhatsApp groups, on your media groups. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Allah आपका हामी और नासिर हो.